Last Sunday of the month, you know what that means. We are going to Car Detail Superstore Car Meet in Fort Lauderdale. Beautiful weather. It's raining, but so what? We're meeting with the boys and then we are rolling up. Let's see what the turnout is going to be, and I will catch you in a bit. And we are here at the pre-meet for the car meet. We're waiting for the rest of the crew, and we're gonna roll out. Going in here with this beautiful M3. Look at those tips, man. And then the fitment and just money. Another M5 coming up. All right. 7:15. When we pass by the spot, I don't think I've seen anybody, so I think we're gonna catch some spots, because usually we get there really late and it's a struggle to find parking. Well, when I say late, I mean 8 o'clock. By 7, I think 30 already starts getting full. This is the first time we are here and there's no cars. I think rain might have something to do with it.
Lauderdale. What to do?
Florida.
What to do?
5-0. So this is it. We're gonna do the car meet today from the car. Yeah, it's still early. It might stop raining, so let's see.
It's Florida. Anything can happen.
You wanna make a run for it? Go inside? No?
I'm not gonna run for it, but I will go inside.
That's what I meant. So yeah, we're doing this secluded today. How else? Yeah,
right here.
This sounds amazing.
There was the old one and that Ford Crest. That just for like 6 days, 5 or 6 days. Use that gas.
I'll use about half a tank or so, and then it'll fill back up.
People are showing up. Saving a spot for a friend. Nice view on this side. Oh. Oh, the boys got new tips.
What's the name of that photo? Roswell Green.
Blue or red? I'll leave it at that. We got Acura Type R. Another Acura. Oh, this one, I think it was this one, sounded dope coming in. Yep. Lady driven. Why is it so quiet? Oh, I mean, GT350. Look at the hood scoop. I haven't seen this before. And then we got a Supra. These T's. This must sound glorious. Nice, 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 nice. Cars are coming in.
Fucked up like like green. I've always liked money green, like the Tahoe. Remember the Tahoe? The Denali came in that green. That was my favorite. That was like a 5 Pro.
Ah, I missed it.
I know.
Well, there are people, so the F-150 sounded awesome coming in. We got the Shelby here, Dark Horse, 5.0, S550, S650. I'm doing a fast run because it's still raining. Subi. Oh, this is nice. 46. Not bad. Diehards, I guess. Shame. We were hyping it internally amongst ourselves. We were hoping. But then in the morning, when my alarm went off, the sky sounded angry. Still made it. Yep. Nice wheels. Jacked.
I make an M4, make it look like a V3 MP3. Hey, you take an M4, you wagon, take the rear of the Touring 3 Series, you make it, and it looks like a V3 More expensive to buy a BMW than Germany than it is to buy. Yes. This is the cheapest place to go. That's the before. I'm gonna show you the one I'm looking at.
The classic coming in. Mustang coming in.
What's that? Yeah, she's no, she's here. Of course.
I missed the startup. That is loud. Settling in. Whoa, whoa. Orgasmic. Orgasmic. Look at the wheels.
Está caminando lo que camina un Z06 de los nuevos.
Awesome. Four-wheel steering.
Y te vas allá a otro frente y te compras un low rider. Si no, una ramita pequeña, una ramita pequeña, sube primero el carro.
Well, that's interesting. Okay. We are out. And that's a wrap. I mean, what to say? It rained. People showed up, but it rained. So next time will be better. Ooh, squeaky. We are out. As always, if you speed bump. If you watch this far, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Bye.
You're supposed to say peace.